Bhavnagar Territory Head of ECA, Committee Member of TIE, and an educator for past 20 years. Pooja ma'am, welcome to you and request to you to navigate this musical session. Over to you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Jalpa ma'am. Thank you for this lovely introduction. And for me, it is an honor where I'm in one frame with Sonia ma'am. Sonia ma'am, I have a profile with me which is, a professional one. But before I read that out, I would like to share my personal experience with you. That when No, but whenever your name is there, we cannot forget about the learning train, which we have learned from you. And I remember all these things you are unpacking just now. When you used to come to our school, we used to be so inquisitive to look inside. कि इसमें क्या है, इसमें क्या है? And you have made us learn so many things. I think the concept of teacher, trainer, a resource person, and how teachers are trained, we have come to know through you only. So once again, I feel privileged to be announcing Miss Sonia Relia's profile. Ma'am has shared her knowledge and her work with nearly 70,000 teachers and carried out 500 workshops on behalf of Oxford University Press and around 150 workshops and more pan-India and also a few places in the Middle East. She has authorized first stand-alone activity-based series, The Learning Train, published by the Oxford University Press, India, with an inbuilt Kino Learn and Kino Phonics. And ma'am now shares her knowledge and the workshops with her daughter also. I read it throughout. And I have learned that ma'am has also written a book on phonics, ma'am, and we are really eager to know about that book also, ma'am. Yes, so without wasting, yes. So we would like, I welcome ma'am once again for this music in teaching session, which is going to be very musical. We all know that. So welcome you, ma'am, on this platform of TIE.
Thank you so much. So music and learning, are so important, है ना? तो सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो 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 एक कहानी सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो 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 एक कहानी अब हम चलते हैं एक बड़ी पुरानी सी रेलगाड़ी के पास है ना अब बहुत साल पहले एक गाना होता था चलो बच्चों रेल चलाएं आगे आगे बढ़ते जाएं चलो बच्चों रेल चलाएं चुन्नो मुन्नो सब तुम आओ चलो चलो रेल पे चढ़ जाओ रेलगाड़ी 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 एक बड़ा पुराना गाना होता था और हम सब रेलगाड़ी बना के चलते चले जाते थे है ना or even today, I think even today the significance of that beautiful song is so relevant. And I think so much of learning even earlier happened with music. Then beach mein everything became more based on worksheets, everything was worksheets. And so I think that is how we realized that somewhere the kind of music we wanted, the kind of processing we wanted just did not happen, and slowly the written work and everything started taking over the classroom. It could have been so simple. We could have just kept it so beautifully. I'm just going to remind you of a couple of really beautiful old songs, है ना? चुन चुन करती आई चिड़िया दाल का दाना लाई चिड़िया चुन चुन करती आई चिड़िया दाल का दाना लाई चिड़िया मोर भी आया चूहा भी आया और शेर भी आया और बतख भी आई और मुर्गी भी आई तो चुन चुन करती आई चिड़िया दाल का दाना लाई चिड़िया मोर भी आया कौवा भी आया चिड़िया भी आई शेर भी आया हाथी भी आया जिराफ भी आया तो आप जोड़ते जाते हैं जब शुरू में ये गाना आया था तो सब कहते थे कि एक ही तो गाना है लेकिन आहिस्ता आहिस्ता इतने सारे गाने आने लगे एंड वी स्टार्टेड ब्रिंगिंग देम टू आवर क्लासरूम You know, initially when I used to have music in the classroom, तो सब कहते थे कि बहुत आवाज आ रही है, बच्चे बहुत मूवमेंट कर रहे हैं, it's becoming chaotic, but slowly it became the morning rhythm of my classroom. I used to just pick up songs at that time. Of course, I used to not write so much, but I used to pick up songs which were relevant, which would work. एक बड़ा खूबसूरत गाना होता था जो हमने बाद में यूज करना बंद किया, because पहले इंडिया में भालू वाले बहुत होते थे, कि भालू वाला आया, देखो भालू वाला आया, लेकिन आहिस्ता आहिस्ता हमने वो गाना बजाना बंद कर दिया, क्योंकि it became that you can't capture bears anymore. तो हर चीज को रेलेवेंटली काम करना. Why music? Why music at all? And we all know कि जैसे हम कुछ बोलते हैं और जैसे हम कुछ गाते हैं तो इंस्टेंट रिस्पॉन्स हो जाता है, मेमोरी बेटर हो जाती है, आप गुनगुनाने लगते हैं, आप कनेक्ट कर पाते हैं. Today the NEP, when it came out, it talked about music and stories and folk artists. हम लोगों ने शायद फोक को बिल्कुल ही इंक्लूड नहीं किया है हमारे करिकुलम्स में. हमारे डमरू नहीं है, ढोलक नहीं है, इतनी खूबसूरत जो इंस्ट्रूमेंट्स हैं फोक के इंडिया में, हमने सब we have not really brought it into education like it should. So I think that's one part which all of us have to relook, and Bhavnagar specifically for me has a very special place because there's a lovely artist, and we had the artist in very much the school, and Pooja would remember it. And he came up with the simplest of percussion instruments, just a tambourine or something that just moves, just simple sounds like that. And he did this whole Varnmala with us, and it works so beautifully. I'm going to try and play one of the music for you, which is from an artist at in my travel in Gujarat. If we can, if you can hear it, because surprisingly, when I started this whole idea of bringing music into my course, so you all know that I am the author of an activity based called My Learning Train. Now, Meri Railgadi was to be released in some time, and we didn't know what we want to do different. So I asked for permission, and at that time I was traveling through Gujarat. And every place in Gujarat, we found one artist, either a manjira or just somebody who plays, a simple instrument. And I want you to experience what we experienced with them. So I'm going to share this with you. Okay, the sound is there, and I'm playing. हमारे पास डमरू हो गया, right? So are we ready? Okay. And अब एक साथ गाएंगे. Right? जैसे कछुआ धीरे धीरे चलता जाए, कोई उसको रोक न पाए, के जैसे चटपट चटपट को गोल घुमाए, नीचे ऊपर दाएं बाएं, घड़ी समय बदलाती, चलती जाती, चलो सबको बड़ा वाली, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. And can you imagine कि मैंने कभी उनके साथ प्रैक्टिस नहीं किया था, मैंने बस बोलना शुरू किया और इन्होंने बीट उठा ली. That is the magic of music, कि इतनी आसानी से आप बीट को जोड़ सकते हैं, आप उसको उठा सकते हैं. And another thing very important with music is the ability to change the rhythm, the pitch, and the note of what you do. So even a small rhyme, you can change your rhythm and pattern. So मैं एक basic rhythm आपके साथ करने वाली हूँ. And I'm also warning you, मैं बहुत दिग्गज कोई musician नहीं हूँ. मैं एक preschool teacher हूँ जिसको गाना सुनना, गाना गाना और बच्चों का response देखकर बहुत मजा आता है. बच्चों को कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता कि मेरी आवाज कैसी है, वो हैप्पीली मेरे साथ गा देते हैं और मैं उनके साथ गा देती हूँ. अब तो डिजिटल है, इतनी सारी रिसोर्सेज हैं, लेकिन पहले तो बस टीचर होती थी और उसका गाना होता था, है ना. बड़ी मुश्किल से कभी एक टेप रिकॉर्डर मांग के मिलता था, तो मिल जाता था, वो भी सीनियर क्लास के बच्चे उठा के ले जाते थे. तो मेरी जनरेशन ने शायद उस वक्त को देखा है, इसलिए हम हर चीज बटोर लेते थे, हर चीज हम एब्जॉर्ब कर लेते थे. एंड दैट इज हाउ वी इंसिस्टेड कि हर चीज में हम म्यूजिक करेंगे. And I have just released a course on it's called the World of Phonics, and the beats are so beautifully done. We've included the Indian beats, we've included the sitar, we've included, jal tarang, because everything can have an Indian flavor. We don't have to always have flavors which are not a part of our country, So I think it's beautiful to take the kind of resources we have and to grow it as much as we can, right? So, like I said, that everything has to have a meaning and a readiness. So the readiness of the teacher and the parent is so important. Today is the best time. देखिए जो हो रहा है वो तो हो रहा है, लेकिन parent को prepare करना for what's to come is also a great time right now, because the parent is watching every step of your way. So include a lot of music, include a lot of beats, include a lot of rhythm and patterns in what you do, and it works beautifully. So one of the rhythms and patterns that I use a lot is a clap and a click. Okay? हम चार कोई भी गाने गाते हैं इसके ऊपर. Let's just start. Okay? So twinkle, twinkle, little star, हाथी राजा बहुत बड़े, सूंड हिलाकर कहाँ चले. Out in the garden each fine day, with my ball I like to play. So what did we do? We just did a clip and a clap. तो ये 8 की beat है. It is perhaps the most easy beat to use for any rhyme you want to sing. It won't matter what you want to sing. This movement, clap and a click. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I remember एक दफा जब मैं बहुत struggle कर रही थी किसी rhyme के साथ, तो somebody said कि 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And from that time I started building my songs on it. मैं पूरा phonics इससे करती हूँ, an ant goes out for a walk. She sees an alligator in the park. Hello, Mr. Alligator, how are you? Hello, Miss Ant, I'm fine, thank you. Or a bear is out for a walk. And you can just keep modifying it and keep singing it. So the clap and the click works beautifully. I will play a few more beats for you so that we take it from there and you see. So हमने अभी वर्णमाला करी है ना, so I will do a little bit part of the वर्णमाला for you so that we can just do the clap and the click का practice. ठीक है? तो मैं जल्दी से एक वर्णमाला का पेज खोलने वाली हूँ and I'm going to do this for you. मुझे ज्यादातर तो याद होती है वर्णमाला, but कभी-कभी it's always good, especially जब आप beats के साथ काम करने वाले हैं. So हमने क का लाइन खत्म किया है ना. च से को चम चम खाए, चम चम खा के सब मुस्काए. छतरी लेकर आओ और बारिश से तुम बच जाओ. जलेबी हमने खाई, पर सबसे अच्छी यही मिठाई. झरना झरझर बहता जाए, ठंडा ठंडा पानी लाए. यह रह गया है खाली, सब बच्चों बजाओ ताली, सब बच्चों बजाओ ताली. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. अब तुम बजाओ चुटकी. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. अब बजाओ एक ताली और एक चुटकी. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. अब बचाओ 2 ताली और 2 चुटकी. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. तो आपने इस इतनी से मूवमेंट में एक वर्णमाला का एक लाइन सिखाने में आपने उसको वर्ड सिखा दिए, मूवमेंट सिखा दी, आपने पैटर्न सिखा दिए, म्यूजिकल पैटर्न सिखा दिए. आप इस पैटर्न को और कॉम्प्लिकेट कर सकते हैं. पहला बच्चा जो है वो सिर्फ ताली मार सकता है 1 2 3 4. जब बच्चा थोड़ा और कर लेता है तो 1 2 3 4, और थोड़ा बच्चा इन्वॉल्व हो जाता है तो 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. फिर एक मूवमेंट और, अगर आपका बच्चा और मूवमेंट करने के लिए रेडी हो तो 1 2 3 4, 1 2. चलो प्रैक्टिस करो मेरे साथ. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 1 2 3 4, है ना. अब चौथा अगर हम पैटर्न लेते हैं तो 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. चलिए 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So each thing will involve more and more complicated processes. So that's the power of music. It can actually make children not realize that they're doing, a sequencing, they're doing a eye-hand coordination, they're doing a listening and a mind coordination, and music is the most beautiful to do that and bring it alive into your classrooms. Getting the children's hands ready, getting children to do simple activities. Music can just kind of take you to another level of all of that. And I'm going to play some of it for you just to help you to see. Today, I'm going to try and use just the music. I'm just going to try and use a lot of music without the animation, so that, you know, we see the power of what we are doing. I want to do one very beautiful one that's called Safety. So I'm going to play a little song for you.
This is my front and this is my back. I clean it like this and like that. I let no one touch me here. I let no one touch me here. I never let a stranger come too near. No, 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 no. I have to stay healthy and be safe, you see, for I am special and I love me. I have to stay healthy and be.
And I love me. So this is my front and this is my back. This is my front and this is my back. I clean it like this and clean it like that. And in a small beat, you've taught them how to say no when someone touches you inappropriately. As a community in India and in different countries, there are different ways we address different things. And sometimes music becomes a very simple way to address issues which, sometimes when you're talking about it, little children may not understand it and teachers may not know how to word it. So we try and make it that careful that, the children can actually just out of a music realize that there are certain parts of the body nobody must touch. Nobody must touch them. And I think it's important to teach these things to children. So I'm going to use a bit of the kind of color codes of domains. So when we talk about early years, early childhood education, we talk about domains, है ना? हम इसमें अलग-अलग domains के बारे में बात करते हैं. हम creative development के बारे में बात करते हैं. We talk about technology, blended learning. We talk about physical development. In physical development, we talk about small muscle, large muscle, health and safety. Then we talk about the mathematics development. We talk about the knowledge and skills. We talk about the language development, which has reading, writing, and listening, speaking. And the most important thing for understanding domains is the personal, social, emotional development. ये सबसे जरूरी है बच्चों में. अगर बच्चे comfortable हो, if the adult is comfortable, automatically all these domains will come alive. And music is one beautiful tool to do all the domains. You want to do the creative domain, you want to do the mathematical domain, you want to do the language domain. It touches every domain with complete ease. So this entire domains जो हम NEP कह रहा है develop domain. So there are two ways to do it when you do a thing. आप या तो theme उठा लीजिए या आप कोई भी टॉपिक उठाकर उसमें डोमेन्स उठा लीजिए. So I prefer working with multiple topics and domains. मतलब मैं अगर इस बॉटल पानी का ले रही हूँ तो I can talk about cleanliness, I can talk about half and full, I can talk about how important water is, I can do a song with water. I can use water for painting. I can use water to grow my plants. So I can use this bottle of water in multiple ways. I would rather prefer to do that rather than doing only water for 1 month. I somehow, even as a teacher, I used to find it very restrictive कि एक महीना आप उसी टॉपिक के बारे में बात करे जा रहे हो. So I used to feel change the topics, touch as many domains as you can, and music will help you to do all of that. It is a very, very easy resource. And use water when you're thirsty in a webinar. That's a very important thing. So hydrate yourself, very important. So are we ready for the next music? All right. Now we are going to do something on finger movements. All right. So I'm just going to open that beat for you. And let me just, because there's so much open, 2 minutes lagte hain for me to just open it so that, there is no story. And okay, so I have it open. Give me a minute and I'll play it for you. So can you hear it?
Open
Okay, I'll start.
them, close them, open them, close them. Now make your fingers crawl. Up they go, up, up, up on the toes. And now you are tall.
Actually, you have a tone.
Slowly, slowly bring them down. Now put your hands on your waist and turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Round, round, round. Turn around.
So this is called a helicopter spin. You see children who go round and round and round and round and round and round. You say, ruk jao, gir jaoge. You start feeling dizzy, but the child will go zip like that. So helicopter spinning is very good for the brain of the child. So children surprisingly will do things that are good for them in a natural way, and we stop them. So music and beats would do so wonderfully to get your helicopter spins, your movements. And when we were doing all of this, the child is also following a certain beat. Some children may not be able to control their fingers. So these beats will simply help them to control all of it. And slowly and steadily, the children realize that, oh my God, we are following a beat. So rhythms and beats, and that beat following of the children also leads them into a lot of brain development. So it works like magic, right? So I'm going to play another one for you. Like I thought today, आज मैं बहुत सारा music और बहुत सारी चीजें आपके लिए जरूर लेकर आती हूँ. So let me do one more little song for you. All right. This is one of my favorites. मैं दोनों versions करूँगी. I will do the English as well as the Hindi. हम पहले हिंदी से शुरू करते हैं और फिर इंग्लिश में जाते हैं. These are all, things that I've recorded for my books, and the Oxford University Press gives me liberty to use my resources as I want to share them with wonderful people like you. So, ready? एक से शुरू करेंगे हम सब लोग. एक हाथ ready रखें.
एक ताली बजाओ, एक चुटकी बजाओ, एक बार गर्दन को हिलाओ, एक बार झुककर एड़ी को हाथ लगाओ, एक बार कमर को मटकाओ, एक बार ही गोल घूम जाओ, 1 से 10 की गिनती गाओ और कूद कूद कर सभी को दिखाओ. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. चुपके से अब बैठ जाओ सब, 10-10 मिल
अब तो ये सब अब सब बैठ गए. तो आप जब ऑनलाइन भी काम करते हैं, म्यूजिक कैन बिकम अ ब्यूटीफुल रिसोर्स फॉर यू। आज के टाइम में आप 5 मिनट 10 मिनट ही बच्चों को एंगेज रख सकते हैं। छोटा छोटा म्यूजिक बजाइए और उस म्यूजिक से बच्चों को मूवमेंट कराइए। सो रिदम एंड मूवमेंट में द चाइल्ड विल लर्न हाउ टू लिसन, प्लस जो ये स्क्रीन की एंगेजमेंट होती है वो थोड़ी स्पेस आउट हो जाएगी। So even in today's times, music is going to be a huge savior for us, right? So please collect your beats. बहुत खूबसूरत गाने हैं. There is so much available today online. So use it. And plus, you know, for people, anybody who's using resources that come from people like us, प्लीज ऑप्टिमाइज योर रिसोर्सेज। मतलब हम लोग इतने सैड हो जाते हैं कि हम लोग भर भर के आपको गाने देते हैं और कोई उन गानों को यूज नहीं कर रहा। इस टाइम पे तो ऑप्टिमाइज करिए उसको, इट वर्क सो वेल। सो दिस वाज सिंपल थिंग ऑफ एक्शन वर्ड्स। हम एक एक्टिविटी कर रहे थे जहां पे हम एक्शन वर्ड्स कर रहे हैं। अभी मैं एक मेरा जो बहुत ब्यूटीफुल पुराना एक एक्शन वर्ड सॉन्ग है इंग्लिश का, वो प्ले करूंगी एंड वी ऑल टेक ऑन एंड do a list of action words and then we'll convert it to something very beautiful. Okay? This is also something, this is not from my books, this is taken from, it's a very old online song जो मुझे पता नहीं, आज अगर आप मुझे पूछे कहाँ मिला था मुझे याद नहीं है, but ये बहुत सालों से मेरे पास।
When you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. When you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. When you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. When you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. When you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. When you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. When you're happy and you know it and you really want to show it. When you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet.
All right. I'm going to do a rhythm and a pattern with this, right? It's an all-time favorite. We all love this song. So when you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. When you're happy and you know it, stamp your feet. When you're happy and you know it, snap your fingers. When you're happy and you know it, clap your hands, snap your fingers, stamp your feet. Also rhythms and patterns. Every song that you have, try and convert it. Do it just happily also, like we all just did a happy and you know it beautiful song. But once you've done it, children have enjoyed it, use the same song and music to make the activity more complex. आपने सिंप्लिसिटी से शुरू करा, आपने उस एक्टिविटी को बहुत एंजॉय किया, उस टाइम पे कुछ सोचने की जरूरत नहीं, बस सिंपली एक्टिविटी को एंजॉय करिए। जब आप सेकंड टाइम प्ले करते हैं, somebody say touch your head, touch your shoulder. जब आप थर्ड टाइम प्ले करते हैं तो आप clap your hands, snap your finger, tap your feet और tap your shoulder, turn around, आप complicate कर सकते हैं। So start using music clips which are very common to actually increase the level of activity that you are performing with the children and do it systematically. तो आपने वही गाना यूज करा उसको so this is again use of the same thing with different domains. तो म्यूजिक का वेरिएशन बहुत easy है, बहुत खूबसूरत है, you can manage it very very well. Another very nice thing to do with music is to bring in the local storytelling arts of India with music. So there are different ways of storytelling, there are different ways of processing. So we suppose I have to do a Nukkad Natak. So I will just open one of my Nukkad Nataks and you, I don't know, you can type it because आप unmute करेंगे तो it will be very noisy. You have to say चलेगा चलेगा या नहीं चलेगा। तो मैं आपको एक नुक्कड़ नाटक जल्दी से पढ़कर गाकर सुनाऊंगी आपको करना है चलेगा चलेगा या नहीं चलेगा। तो उससे क्या होता है कि बच्चों के लिए इट बिकम्स दैट मच इजियर टू जस्ट वेरी वेरी ब्यूटीफुल टू रिस्पॉन्ड टू, है ना। तो हमारा ढोलक आ गया। सुनो भाई सुनो सुनो भाइयों और बहनों सुनो, सुनो सुनो भाई सुनो सुनो भाइयों और बहनों सुनो। ठीक है, तो आपने रेडी है? ओह माय गॉड, ओके ओके ओके। मुझे ठीक है, हमारा सॉन्ग होगा सारे नियम जोड़ लो, नियम पे चलना सोच लो। तो सारे नियम जोड़ लो, नियम पे चलना सोच लो, सारे नियम जोड़ लो, नियम पे चलना सोच लो। अब आपको मुझे कहना है चलेगा चलेगा या नहीं चलेगा। टूटी सड़कें, बताइए चलेंगे चलेंगी या नहीं चलेंगी, नहीं चलेंगी। टूटी सड़कें नहीं चलेंगी, नहीं चलेंगी, नहीं चलेंगी। अच्छी सड़कें चलेंगी, चलेंगी। बहता पानी, नलों से बहता पानी नहीं चलेगा, नहीं चलेगा। बंद नल रखना ये तो देखो चलेगा भाई, चलेगा। बच्चों बच्चों जल्दी आओ, बच्चों बच्चों जल्दी आओ। सारे नियम तुम सुन जाओ, सारे नियम तुम सुन जाओ, है ना। तो नियम पे चलना सोच लो, सारे नियम जोड़ लो, नियम पे चलना सोच लो, सारे नियम जोड़ लो, नियम पे चलना सोच लो। हम सुबह सुबह उठ जाएंगे, सुबह सुबह उठ जाएंगे, जल्दी फिर नहाएंगे, जल्दी फिर नहाएंगे। सुबह उठना चलेगा चलेगा, लेट उठना नहीं चलेगा, नहीं चलेगा। तैयार टाइम से होना चलेगा, देखो चलेगा। नहीं तैयार टाइम से होना नहीं चलेगा, नहीं चलेगा। हम लोगों को बच्चों को एक रूटीन में लाना है। अगर हमने बच्चों को स्कूल वापस लाना है तो हमने उनकी एक छोटी सी रूटीन बनानी है, एक छोटा सा प्रोसेस बनाना है। तो उसके लिए ये छोटा सा नियम का गाना आप सुबह गा सकते हैं बच्चों के साथ, and you can start telling them that this is the process. And you know what has happened is there has been a lot of indiscipline during this time. बच्चों को घर में बहुत मतलब इनफैक्ट सैडली सबका indiscipline. If you ring up somebody or if you do a Zoom call, most people don't switch on their cameras because they don't get dressed in the morning. You know, people are sitting up. So if you have to get back to work, we have to bathe, we have to be dressed, we have to be following a pattern and rhythm. ये तो कैसे चलेगा ना। तो नहीं चलेगा, नहीं चलेगा। अगर हमने बच्चों को स्कूल वापस लाना है तो हमें ये बहुत सुंदर रिदम और पैटर्न्स के गाने, एक पूरी प्रोसेसिंग, सब कुछ बच्चों के साथ वापस लाकर हमने बच्चों को डेफिनेटली सुनाना है। मैं आपको रिदम्स के बारे में बात कर रही थी। आई एम गोइंग टू प्ले अ सॉन्ग फॉर यू. It's not yet released and it's from my new book, The World of Phonics. It will help you to understand what I'm talking about rhythm, right? हम क्योंकि अभी रिदम्स के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं तो जैसे आप कह रहे थे यू नो जैसे छंद में बात करना, यू नो इंडिया में छंद में बात करना एक भूल ही गए हम, यू नो चलो चलो आओ चाय पीते हैं, बैठते हैं, सुनते हैं, सुनाते हैं, दूसरा आदमी कहेगा क्यों भैया आप हमें ये क्यों बताते हैं, फिर मैं कुछ बोलूंगी आपने मुझे कुछ बोलना है। तो छंद में बात करना एक बहुत खूबसूरत कला होती थी हमारी कंट्री की जो हम भूल गए, है ना। तो चलो फूल उगाते हैं। अगर मैंने कहा कि चलो बाहर जाकर फूल उगाते हैं तो आप क्या कहेंगे आगे से? आप छंद में कुछ मुझे कहेंगे। चलो बच्चों नहाओ, नल खुला है, टॉवल लेकर आते हैं। ओहो मम्मी पूरा दिन ही आप हमें ऐसी बातें सुनाते हैं। तो बच्चे छंद में जब बात करेंगे तो खूब मजा आता है। तो बच्चों को रीइंट्रोड्यूस करिए इस छंद से। यू नो इंडिया इज वाइब्रेंट, इतने रिसोर्सेज है इंडिया में जो हम टैप ही नहीं करते, यू नो, सो वी नीड टू टैप दोज रिसोर्सेज। आप बड़ी खूबसूरत तरीके से, अब तो यू नो मदर टंग का भी बाकी खत्म हो गया है एनईपी के आने से, you know, otherwise people would keep saying, oh, you know, we want only English speaking in that. ठीक है, English speaking will come. पहले उनको तैयार तो करें हम, है ना? So I'm playing this lovely song for you. It's called Who Has Seen the Wind. I want you to listen to this lady singing. She's this beautiful artist who does my books for me. She's the one who does my music for me, and I asked her to do a beautiful song on the wind. And I would just love to share that with you. A soft copy of my collection. It's a part of my course, so yeah, I can just share it with you like now. But I will sing it for you. I will just give you a lot of ideas. Okay.
Whisper. Four winds were friends, whirling away. Whisper, whistle, whirl and whoosh, were their name, they say. Whisper was a gentle wind, like a soft song. Whistle was naughty wind, rustling things along. Whirl would swirl everything round, round and round. Whoosh was an angry wind with a loud sound. A magic man waved his wand and made them into one. No one could see them and guessing became fun. Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. When it blows really gently, you know whisper is passing by. Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. When it rustles just a bit, you know whistle is passing by. Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. When it swirls here and there, you know whirl is passing by. Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. When it blows really fast and angry, you know whoosh is passing by. Whisper, whistle, whirl and whoosh. Whisper, whistle, whirl and whoosh. Whisper, whistle, whirl and whoosh. Whisper, whistle.
So, did you see what we were doing? We increased the rhythm and the tempo, and we increased our pitch, and then we were just allowing children to imagine and process themselves. So, music can help children to develop imagination. आपके पास कुछ भी नहीं था, आपके पास हवा थी, wind था, sounds थे. So, and rhythm tha. So sometimes the children's just creative movements can come out with all of these songs. At the same time, they're getting conscious about the rhythm, the pitch, the tempo, right? So these are little things. We have done this all for the preparation of listening skills for phonics. क्योंकि सीधा आप जब phonics में act करते हैं, तो उस टाइम पे बच्चों की तैयारी नहीं होती. The children are not ready. So we have not created a readiness for phonics. Music, rhythm, audio memory, audio patterns, auditory memories, patterns are all part of getting ready to read and phonics. It's that important, music. You know, you can use it in every aspect of the child's life, in the terms of creativity, in the terms of readiness for listening, the auditory readiness, the memory, the language. There is just a vast expanse. I think it's one of our widest expanse of resource that we have, and very still underutilized in our schools. I think we really need to utilize it much more. A lot of folk artists, please bring in artists. Don't try and replace the artist. हम लोग कोशिश करते हैं कि हर चीज म्यूजिक टीचर करे. The simplest form of music comes from the folk. जो folk tools होते हैं और जो folk instruments बजाते हैं, वो सबसे uncomplicated तरीके से बजाते हैं. दो चीजें होंगी including folk in your day-to-day routine. One is that the folk artists will get regular income. If we don't create space for their income, after some time, this folk music is going to disappear from our country. Because it goes from one generation to the other generation. There is nothing written down. It is all a transfer, verbal transfer. And if we don't facilitate that verbal transfer of traditional Indian folk music, we are going to lose it in the next couple of years. So I really recommend, please start looking for local folk artists. Call them on webinars like this. Pay a little bit. All of us contribute. Bring them to your schools. Bring them to your children so that they understand the sheer simplicity in this very, very complex digital world. Please remember, digital world and solutions are created by the human mind. They are not just coming on their own. Some human is sitting there and creating all of this for us. So don't forget the human touch when you're going into a digital revolution. do it. We have to do whatever we have to do, but at the same time, keep the human touch. There is one strong reason I don't use PowerPoints in my sessions. Is one that the person who's speaking becomes very small and goes in a corner. And I'm just looking at the PowerPoint and I want to see what the person is doing, because that person perhaps has lived what the person is talking. So I consciously have avoided using, I just feel that the interaction, unless we're doing something very technical and where we have to make notes, I would just say that we need to just keep the human touch alive, and music is so important for that, right? So very, very important to, so this was a little a song from my new course. I hope you all liked it. It's a beautiful song. It is going to be one of my favorites as I keep listening to it, because I enjoy it so much. But I'm going to get you to listen to another beautiful song which I so love, It's called Looking into the Mirror, and I'm just looking, it's a very, very powerful song, which just helps you to kind of, imagine your own self smiling at yourself. All right, so by the time I open this, and just give me a minute, I think I just have placed it somewhere else. Okay, I found it. Just that there's so much, I think at the end of the thing. So a simple thing that says observation and looking into the mirror. I would also like you to do this song as regularly as possible with your children. May not be this song, it's a song that you can create for your children, but please make looking into a mirror an activity on a very regular basis, है ना? तो अब हम कोशिश करते हैं आपका हम looking into the mirror. We play that for you.
Looking in the mirror, what do I see? I see myself smiling at me, smiling at me. Special, special, as special can be. This is me. Smiling at me, smiling at me.
So who's going to sing this with me? 1, 2, 3. Looking in the mirror, what do I see? I see myself smiling at me. Because, there is nobody praising me every day. I work hard. I hope for recognition. I hope somebody will recognize me. But suppose nobody is going to do that. So I'm going to just look into the mirror and smile at me. And I'm going to say, good job done. I think you're doing a great job. And I'm going to enjoy it and be happy. So allow children to look into the mirror, sing the song regularly. I think for teachers, sing the song every day for yourself. Because I think we need to keep looking into the mirror and telling each other beautiful things. All right. So another little thing that I'll introduce you to is the Lathi and Ghungru. I use it a lot and I think it's a great tool. I've also used it again in my new phonic course because I felt that we must use Indian tools. So पहले हम एक कहानी ऐसे करते थे, like a small little thing, कि चलो अब हम दादी दादा के खेत जाते हैं. दादी ने शलगम उगाया, शलगम उगाया, शलगम उगाया. मोटा शलगम बाहर ना आया, बाहर ना आया, बाहर ना आया. दादी ने शलगम उगाया, शलगम उगाया, शलगम उगाया. दादी ने जोर लगाया, लेकिन मोटा शलगम बाहर ना आया, बाहर ना आया, बाहर ना आया. फिर वहां पे कुत्ता आया, उसने दादी को पकड़ा. अब दादी और कुत्ते ने जोर लगाया, मोटा शलगम बाहर न आया. म्याऊं म्याऊं करके बिल्ली आई. दादी, कुत्ता, बिल्ली ने पकड़कर जोर लगाया. This was what the original story was. So I said I wanted to teach the sound R, A-R, R, okay? So there's a barn in the farm, clap your hands. There's a barn on the farm, clap your hands. There's a barn on the farm, there's a barn on the farm, there's a barn on the farm, clap your hands. There's a barn on the farm, stamp your feet. There's a barn on the farm, stamp your feet. There's a barn on the farm, there's a barn on the farm, there's a barn on the farm, clap your hands, stamp your feet. Now there is a cart on the farm, clap your hands. There's a cart on the farm, clap your hands. The carts to go to the barn, clap your hands. Now there is a cart on the farm which the animals have to push. So quickly came the dog, and with the dog came the cat. They pushed and pulled the cart like that. They pushed and pulled the cart like that. Then came the horse with the clop, clop, clop. He pushed and pulled the cart like that. Then came the rooster with the hen. They pushed and pulled the cart like that. So I just converted it. I converted it with a ghungru. Now off goes the cart to the barn. Off goes the cart to the barn. The cart is in the barn. The cart is in the barn. The cart is in the barn just now. Clap your hands, snap your fingers, tap your feet. Clap your hands, snap your fingers, tap your feet. So the sound was done. There's a barn on the farm, or there is a cart on the farm. You know, be careful with your arms. So I always had wondered, why can our beats not come into what we teach children? And this year we actually did it. We actually put the beats into a course, and I hope it's accepted beautifully. Also with this, I'm sure people who've been following my workshop have seen this, but I'll introduce this part to you. Every Latvian, the Latvian ghungru, it's the staff and the bell. It's very interesting that the staff and the bells are musical instruments from different parts of the world. For example, even in UK, in Scotland, they use the staff and the bell. I remember when a set of storytellers came from, I think, Scotland, and they came to India and Rajasthan, and they were looking for staff and bells. I actually gave them my Latvian ghungru, and they said, oh, this is what we use. So much of the folk tools are common tools across the world. You know, they're used in different countries, and somehow they're not coming enough into our classrooms. And I think that is something what we have to. And then what I modified it was that I said that if you have the Latvian ghungru, and if you have these little lovely, curtains, and you put it on 2 chairs, and you move it out, it's a parda. If you put it behind me, it's a backdrop. So I can create my whole music theatre, my singing theatre, my puppet theatre with something which is such a beautiful Indian tool. And when I did, a course called Meri Rail Gadi, which is an activity-based course in Hindi, I put all of this. And for the last about 4-5 years, it's been out. And most people would tell me, Madam, written work de dijiye, worksheets de dijiye. And I would feel so sad because there was just so much I created in terms of, but the NEP, I think, has really, really helped to, bring forward, what we are kind of wanted to do all along. So imagine suddenly the whole value of what we have done has increased, because we've been fighting this for like years of our life, but nobody was listening to us. And I did a little bit of language, a little bit of music with the barn and the farm. I did a little bit of phonics. I'm going to do a little bit of sequencing and maths with you now. All right. So I'm going to do it in both the languages again. Everything that I try and do, even for my resources, when I do my books, is whatever there in math will be found in EVS. Whatever is there is in EVS will be found in Hindi. Whatever there is in Hindi will be found in some level in some other subject. So what happens is that children, while they're listening to the same story again and again, the same rhythm, the same pattern, they're learning something new each time. So that is the magic of having music and domains and listening skills in the classroom. There are a couple of patterns of music which are important, and the most important out of that is the repetitive pattern, जो बार बार आप बोलते हैं. एक ही चीज जब आप बार बार दोहराते हैं तो वो repetitive pattern जो म्यूजिक का होता है वो it is one of the most useful patterns. It works really nicely. So I'm going to do this little story for you, and you do the repeated pattern for me. All right. I use I was just talking to Harsha. I use very simple resources. Everything is a pocket, and that's what I try and use, because we have just with the whole world of activities, home learning happening. We thought the best way is to give teachers a beautiful kit which they can modify and they can use. And all this is a part of that kit that we've created for my learning train. I mention it because whenever we use anything from any source, once it is gone from my box, then it belongs to another organization. So it's always good to give credits to where we are taking this from, right? So that's where I mention that where these songs, etc., or where these resources have come from. All right. So Little Rabbit goes to school. Little Rabbit is really cool. Little Rabbit goes to school. Little Rabbit is really cool. Okay. So you have to just say that, Little Rabbit goes to school. Little Rabbit's really cool. Okay. So he meets an owl on the way. And the owl says, oh my God, Little Rabbit really cool. Little Rabbit is off to school. Little Rabbit really cool. And then they meet the bear. So he looks at both these animals and says, where are you going? Can I come with you? And the owl says, yes, I'm going with the rabbit to school. Why? Because little rabbit's off to school. Little rabbit's really cool. Little rabbit's off to school. Little rabbit's really cool. Now they meet the cat. Now the cat asks the bear, and the bear asks the owl, and the owl tells everybody that I'm going with Mr. Rabbit because Little Rabbit's off to school. Little Rabbit's really cool. Now comes the hen. Now the hen asks them. So I'll do it in the way I do all my work. That is why all my books are called My Learning Train, because everything I do through a train. So Little Rabbit's off to school. Little Rabbit's really cool. He meets an owl and asks her. So Little Rabbit's off to school. Little Rabbit's really cool. Little Rabbit. So the hen asks the cat. The cat asks the bear asks the owl, and the owl says, I'm off to school because Little Rabbit's off to school. Little Rabbit's really cool. And then comes the monkey, and the monkey asks the hen asks the cat asks the bear asks the owl, and what does the owl say? I'm off to school because Little Rabbit's really cool. Little Rabbit's off to school. So what happened in this pattern? We cumulatively increased the vocabulary with a little bit. That's it. Complicated nahi tha. I put in Little Rabbit off to school. Little Rabbit is really cool. You put in a tagline which you like, which can be cheated. Also, see, predictability is very important in music. आप अगर हर मिनट अपना म्यूजिक बदल देंगे, children are not able to. Variety is good, but lack of predictability upsets little children. They really get upset. So, predictable beats and patterns are very, very good for children. कभी-कभी आप जब when you listen to a song, you already are preparing to listen to a particular beat. And if the sudden beat changes, for example, when you listen to remixes, sometimes you just don't like them, right? You don't like them because you're not used to them, right? You don't like the beat, you don't like the pattern. So predictable beats and patterns are important. Getting the children, the tempo is important. Getting the children to understand the fact that There is a huge resource. So there's another very beautiful one that I want you to see. Some days I just feel that I'm unable to trace everything that I want to show everyone. Just give me a second. I'll just trace it for you. Let me just get the page number right, and then I'll play this lovely thing for you. All right. So I'll do another little story. मैं आपको एक और बहुत सुंदर कहानी करके बताती हूँ. All right. Are there any questions? Are there any questions that you want to ask me? I don't know whether I can answer all the questions about music because I'm not like. So are you finding what we're doing useful? Are you kind of finding the fact that you will be able to integrate more music into your classroom? We'll also do one little music beat and we will do a little bit of art with it. All right. So I will play that music beat for you, and then I want you to very, very quickly do this beautiful piece of, draw something for me immediately after I finish that beat for you. All right. So let me play this. Okay, I'll just play this for you. Can you hear?
Hey! Squiggly wiggly fingers, squiggling all around. Squiggling, squiggling, squiggling,
So when
squiggling up and
we did this, right? So just now we did this little story, this little rhyme where the children were moving up and down. I want you to do a movement now with the colors. Okay, so we just move and then we'll do a little bit of work with colors, just to see how music can help us.
put your right hand in and move it up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Put your left hand in and move it up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. Now quickly turn around and stamp the ground. Stamp, stamp. Put your right hand in and move it left to right, left to right, left to right, left to right, left to right. Put your left hand in and move it left to right, left to right, left to right, left to right, left to right. Now quickly turn around and stamp the ground. Stamp, stamp. Put your right hand in and move it round and round, round and round, round and round, round and round, round and round. Put your left hand in and move it round and round, round and round, round and round.
All right. So now if I ask, no, I don't think English rhymes should be mandatory. That's a terrible thing to do. I think the most beautiful rhymes are rhymes which should, in the mother tongue. Why should English rhymes be mandatory? I mean, why should the whole NEP is telling you not to make it mandatory? It's telling you that do English. There is no harm. It's another very, very vibrant global language. But there is no reason not to. I don't think it should be mandatory. So when you finish something like this, give the children crayons and ask them to do the movements on paper. So the minute you do that, you're converting music onto paper. Another very interesting thing to do with children is to do beats with paper. So suppose I have music and I have a crayon in my hand, and I tell the children that you have to change the color according to the beat of the music. So I can start with different things. So pick up a crayon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And now I want you to pick up another crayon. I want you to pick up another crayon. So the children sometimes will just connect music to color. They will connect it to maybe somebody will, the same bell, the child will pick up a blue, the another child will pick up a green. It is just about creating rhythms and patterns, you know. And then say, maybe another color. So the child may just go into this beautiful imaginative time. I'm going to play this lovely instrument. I'm very fond of this instrument. I am going to use it and play it for you. It's an instrument called the kartal. I'm not I'm not very qualified with it, but it's an instrument that is there from Rajasthan, and I think it's great to learn how to play instruments because sometimes okay. So lady, I'm going to take you to Dantapur. Dantapur में गाना गाया, Dantapur में गाना गाया. बच्चों को देखिए, खुशुसाया, खुशुसाया, खुशुसाया. दंतापुर में गाना गाया, दंतापुर में गाना गाया. बच्चों को देखिए, खूब मुस्काया, खूब मुस्काया. दानव एक दुकान पे गया, वहां पे उसने बड़ा बड़ा टॉफी का डब्बा देखा, कहा मुझको टॉफी है खानी. बच्चों ने कहा दानव राजा नहीं टॉफी खाना, नहीं तो दुकान पे दवाई लेने पड़ेगा तुमको आना. दानव का कहाँ बात मानता, खोल खोल के टॉफी खाई, खोल खोल के टॉफी खाई. सुबह सुबह आवाज आई, सुबह सुबह आवाज आई. दान दुखा भाई. दादाजी फिर वहां पे आए, दातून अपने साथ बुलाए और दानव राजा को दान साफ करना सिखाया. ऊपर नीचे गोल गोल, ऊपर नीचे गोल गोल, खुला करने के लिए नल थोड़ा सा खोल. दानव राजा को बात समझ में आई, उसने अपने दांत साफ करने शुरू करे. चलो आप सब करके दिखाओ मुझे. ऊपर नीचे गोल गोल, ऊपर नीचे गोल गोल. और दिन में कितने दफा ब्रश करना है? 2 दफा ब्रश करना है. और कैसे कुल्ला करने के लिए नल कैसे खोलना है? थोड़ा सा खोलना है. अगर आजकल बैम्बू का टूथब्रश यूज करो तो बहुत ही अच्छा. अगर बैम्बू टूथब्रश यूज करो बहुत अच्छा, और प्लास्टिक के टूथब्रश थोड़ा सा कम करो. किसी के पास नीम है तो नीम की तीली से कभी कभी अपना दातून करो. दवाई भी अंदर चली जाएगी और दांत भी खूब चमकेंगे आपके. बड़ी खूबसूरत चीजें थी जी हमारी कंट्री में, हमने सब छोड़ दी. हमने नारियल के उसके साथ हम बर्तन धो लेते थे, अब हम प्लास्टिक की चीजें इस्तेमाल करते हैं. यू नो, इतनी खूबसूरत कंट्री है, इतनी सादगी से हम जीते थे. फिर हमने सब कुछ बदल दिया, हमने अपना म्यूजिक बदल दिया, हमने अपना सब कुछ बदल दिया. तो कहीं ना कहीं तो इस म्यूजिक को, इस प्रोसेसिंग को, इस सिंप्लिसिटी को वापस लेकर आइए. हर चीज हम इतनी कॉम्प्लेक्स तरीके से बताते हैं कि लगता है कि ओ माय गॉड, इसको तो ऐसा कोई एक रास्ता नहीं है. आपका रास्ता सही. एक बहुत खूबसूरत लाइन थी, किसी ने मुझसे कहा कि संघर्ष पथ पर जो चला ये भी सही, वो भी सही. तो कभी कभी किसी और का सही देखना चाहिए हमको, क्योंकि वो सादगी का सही हो सकता है कि हमारे लिए भी सही हो, है ना. तो ये जो पथ है, ये जो रास्ता है अगले कुछ महीनों का, सालों का, कोई प्रेडिक्टेबिलिटी नहीं है. मुझे कोई कह रहा था प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर द नेक्स्ट सेंचुरी. आपको कल क्या होने वाला है ये नहीं पता, अगले हफ्ते क्या होने वाला है नहीं पता, अगले महीने का नहीं पता. तो प्रिपरेशन तो आज की ही ठीक है. आज में जो है उसको, जो बीता हुआ है उसको साथ लेकर चलिए. इट वर्क्स ब्यूटीफुली. बड़े सिंपल तरीके से चल सकता है, बहुत अच्छे से चल सकता है. यू नो, सो डोंट, मतलब हम लोग अभी हम सब कह रहे थे पिछले कुछ सालों में प्रिपेयर फॉर द फ्यूचर, है ना. हमने सबने कहा था हम 21st सेंचुरी प्रिपेयर रहेंगे. कोई प्रिपेयर था इस कोविड के लिए? किसी ने सोचा था कि ये हो सकता है? आई डोंट थिंक मेरी माइंड में भी आया था. मैं तो इतने वर्कशॉप करती हूँ, मैंने तो किसी वर्कशॉप में कहा नहीं थी ऐसा कुछ हो सकता है. तो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है कि आप इसको बहुत बहुत सुंदर तरीके से देखें. तो चलिए एक बहुत खूबसूरत गाने के साथ मैं खत्म करूंगी. आई एम श्योर वी कैन कीप गोइंग ऑन, बट मैं इनको कह रही थी कि नॉर्मली सबकी पेशेंस 1 घंटे में खत्म हो जाती है ना, थक जाते हैं बातें वही सुन सुन के. तो आई थिंक आई ट्राई एंड शेयर वन ब्यूटीफुल सॉन्ग विद यू. तो सब तैयार हो जाए और एक दूसरे के कंधे पे हाथ लगे. तो हम सोचते हैं कि हम एक दूसरे के कंधे पे हाथ लगा रहे हैं, तो सब तैयार हो जाएगी कंधे पे हाथ डालने के लिए. और मैं एक बहुत खूबसूरत बहुत सुंदर गाने के साथ किधर गई मेरी ऊँट की कहानी? ठीक है, तो आपको मैं हूँ और बहुत सुंदर से हम अपनी एक आपको बड़ी खूबसूरत ऊँट की कहानी गाना सुनाती हूँ।
ऊँट चला भाई ऊँट चला, ऊँट चला भाई ऊँट चला, लंबी लंबी टांगों से रेत पर देखो ऊँट चला, ऊँट चला भाई ऊँट चला, ऊँट चला भाई ऊँट चला। छोटी छोटी पूंछ हिलाकर ऊँट चला, ऊँट चला भाई ऊँट चला, ऊँट चला भाई ऊँट चला।
बहुत सादगी के साथ ऊँट चल रहा है और आप उसको इमेजिन कर पा रहे हैं। So for me, music is as simple as this. It's about creating a certain rhythm. It's creating using the simplest of resources. It's about writing your own songs. It's about creating, छोटा सा कीड़ा आया, छोटा सा कीड़ा आया, उसने हमको बहुत सताया, बहुत सताया, बहुत सताया। किसी को देखो नजर ना आया, नजर ना आया, नजर ना आया। एक छोटा सा कीड़ा आया, एक छोटा सा कीड़ा आया, देखो किसको नजर ना आया, नजर ना आया। लेकिन उसने हमको बहुत सिखाया, बहुत सिखाया, बहुत सिखाया। आज टीचर घर को आती है, मेरे दोस्त को लाती है। टीचर घर को आती है, मेरे दोस्त को लाती है। एक छोटा सा कीड़ा आया, देखो उसने बहुत सताया, बहुत सताया, बहुत सताया। और मैं गागा की होठ विश करती हूँ कि कीड़ा जल्दी से चला जाए और सब स्कूल्स खुले, हम सब खुश रहें, एक साथ मिले, बोले और खूब म्यूजिक बजाएं, कभी ढोलक बजाएं, कभी डमरू बजाएं, कभी, and we just take it forward. So for me, music is that simple to bring into learning. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Sonia ma'am, we have one question. We have a question
Yes.
from Miss Rachna. She has to ask that how to keep our emotions alive with children amidst the stressful day at school. So when we are stressed, how do we keep our emotions alive?
Listen to music. Listen to music, listen to beats. It's very interesting that, for the teacher who asked me this question, that sometimes people ask me, you're not paying attention to what we are telling you. Because in my head, I've switched off from everything around me. And so much stress and music so there is something called the music therapy. Today, even when you go to, like I remember when I went in for a surgery, there was music playing in the surgery. I mean, it was like a plastic surgery, or surgeon surgery where there were battle injuries, and the guy was humming when he was cutting my head. So, what bigger challenge than that? We talk about stress. This is another thing which I think I must talk about, because now that you brought up the topic, not that I'm a big psychologist but it is. They say stress is a acquired habit. Sometimes we acquire it as a process of reaction, and the best way is to have, the minute you feel something is coming towards you, move to a beat, a pattern, a music, and a smile. It will liven you up. We've done it. I use a lot of it. Some days, if you feel you've had a bad day, it's just nice to sit down with the children. Just put everything away. सब कुछ रख दीजिए. अगर आपको बहुत जल्दी मच रही है, syllabus, because आप irritate होंगे, तो आप expect मत करिए कि आप उसको absorb नहीं करेगा. So for that 5 minutes, सब कुछ बंद कर दीजिए. That is why we talked about flexible curriculum, Pooja ma'am, जो NEP बात कर रही है, multifaceted flexible curriculum, क्योंकि ये जो टीचर को स्ट्रेस हो रहा है दिन के एंड में, वो इसलिए हो रहा है क्योंकि वो कंप्लीशन नहीं कर पा रही है. अगर आप बोलेंगे कि कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, आप आराम से बच्चों के साथ 2 गाने गा दीजिए। तो क्या आप गाना पसंद करेंगे कि नहीं, मुझे बताइए, है ना? तो that is the reason they have talked about flexibility and not forcing completion, because sometimes बच्चों का मूड ठीक नहीं है, कभी टीचर का मूड ठीक नहीं है, कभी there is an illness in the family. Music works for we are using it for children, older people in old age homes. We are using it for children who are cancer patients. So it's being used across. So music को थोड़ा थोड़ा अपना favorite music को download करके रख लीजिए. Right.
Yes, your answer justifies everything, Sonia ma'am. So it's all your well blended music, teaching, the stress of the teacher, and the one line I remember yours is that a teacher should stand in front of the mirror and smile at least herself, a pat on her back, and she's all set for the day. And the smiles of the children are always there for us. So a wonderful, wonderful, power-packed and energetic session by you, as always, Sonia ma'am. It was like I was sure that it is going to be a very lively and musical session. So thank you so much, ma'am, for this wonderful session you have given to us. A platter full of music, music, and music. So let this weekend be a musical one.
Just slow down. I think my message to everybody is, हम ऐसे ही फालतू में भाग रहे हैं. You know, we did a couple of seminars with some people, and I gave a feedback to some of them. I said that इतनी जल्दी में क्यों होते हैं? Because you have an agenda कि मेरे को ये 40 मिनट में ये सब सुनाना है. I don't really have an agenda when I come. I keep everything planned. I keep a bed full. You see, look at my space. It's full of things. So I will not use all of them because it stresses me out if I have to use all of them. So relax.
Yes, the teacher is all from the morning. She's packed with the schedule. Even myself, we're all stressed to complete a certain, deadlines and meet deadlines and the pressure. So we drain from there only.
And it is going to the children. Sadly, it is reaching the children. You know. तो एक बहुत important beat of music है जो हम सबको सुनना है. अपना हाथ पे रख लीजिए, धड़कन की आवाज आनी चाहिए, तब हम सुकून से काम कर सकते हैं. Otherwise, your heartbeat is fast. You beat up.
That's lovely, ma'am. That's lovely.
So keep listening to your heartbeat. देखिए heartbeat तब बदलती है जब आप उसको you either give it excitement or you give it worry, right? So खूब excitement दीजिए, pleasant heartbeats आने दीजिए, and it's great music. Right. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Over to Jalpa, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I want to share one experience with you of my child. वो जो phonics का concept है मैम, तो मुझे लगा कि मैं उसे कैसे वो सिखाऊं, तो इसलिए YouTube निकाला और एक phonics का एक बहुत अच्छा सॉन्ग है. A is for apple, आ apple. B is for, तो पूरा दिन घर में A is for apple, B for ba पूरा दिन वही करता रहता है घर में. उसको मैं कितना मैंने सिखाया है, लेकिन वो एक म्यूजिक वाला जो ये राइम है वही उसको याद है, इसलिए पूरा दिन घर में. फिर उसके पापा भी पूछते ये तुम क्या बोल रहे हो, तो उसे पता नहीं है ये फोनिक्स है. लेकिन वो बहुत अच्छे से वो बोल कि फोनिक्स क्या है वो हम अभी नहीं सिखा सकते थियोरेटिकली, लेकिन म्यूजिक ने मुझे हेल्प की कि कैसे वो बोलता है, वो पूरा साउंड्स पूरे अल्फाबेट्स के लिए बोलता है. और फिर मैं बोलती हूँ
मैं आपको एक बहुत सिंपल सी चीज दिखाती हूँ. तो हम लोगों ने फोनिक्स के लिए कैरेक्टर्स दिए, तो मैंने कैरेक्टर ले लिया और हर कैरेक्टर के साथ एक साथ हम लोग जब फोनिक्स सिखाते हैं, दिस इज ऑल्सो फॉर जब हम फोनिक्स के बात ही कर रहे हैं, कभी भी नेम और साउंड को एक साथ मत आने दीजिए.
ओके.
आप जब कोई सॉन्ग भी डाउनलोड कर रहे हैं, कोशिश करिए कि ए और ए साथ बना है, सिंबल आ जाए. तो द चाइल्ड सेड द सिंबल एंड सेज apple. What we did was we said let them see the upper and lower case and do Annie and Benny bear, b cuddly cat, k Danny duck, d. तो दो चीजें हुई, alliteration जहाँ पे दोनों शब्दों में वही साउंड आई और बच्चे ने एक सिंबल देखा. इसके बाद ये मैं क्योंकि आपने ये टॉपिक उठाया है और बहुत सारे लोग देख रहे हैं, तो मैं जरूर इसको टच इसलिए कर रही हूँ बिकॉज नाम और जस्ट लेट द सिंबल कम, लेट द सिंबल कम।
Yes. Yes.
तो बच्चे को फिर ए के साथ एप्पल जोड़ने की जरूरत नहीं है, वो एम्बुलेंस, एरो, तो तो एक की सिंबल एंड ट्राई व्हेनेवर आप डाउनलोड कर रहे हैं बच्चों के लिए, कोशिश करिए कि बच्चों को एक एनिमेशन आ जाए और साउंड आ जाए और अशकाज बना दीजिए, तो वो घूमता घूमता सीख लेगा, है ना। सो या थैंक यू।
बहुत मजा आता है। हाँ, thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you for sharing your valuable knowledge to us. Thank you,
Thank
Pooja,
you.
ma'am, for giving us your valuable time. Thank you all the teachers, Harsha,
Yeah.
ma'am. Now we will have a session on 29th of March of
Okay.
Dr. Sapna Agrawal.
All the
On the
very
topic-
best.
Yes, Sapna.